Step one when installing an exterior camera, guys, is to determine what type of surface you're going to be installing that camera on. Right here, we have brick, right? There may be a certain scenario where you have to install the camera onto the sheet metal. A camera installation is a lay-in ceiling, okay? And then there's maybe a certain scenario where you have to install the camera on the sheetrock wall.
So this is the equipment we have. We have the camera that's going to go on the wall. This is the wall mount, and we have a cap that's going to go between the wall mount and the camera. And then all these will be waterproofing parts we're going to use. And we're ready to put it up.
In this particular application, this is a masonry wall. So what we'll do is come up to the camera here. Guys, note that this camera is at 12 foot. We're using a 10-foot ladder for this installation. Okay. So what we're going to do is place the camera over the box that was already installed by the electricians prior to the masonry wall going up. Okay, they've got a sleeve going through the wall. All right, so what we can do is, before we install our patch cable, is put our bracket on the wall here, set our level on top here. Be sure that we're level here. And what we'll do is tag it with this here paint that we've purchased. We're level. We can tag the area. One here. We're still level here. There. There. And there. Okay. We've got our tags. We have made our holes with our masonry drill bit. We're using a 1/4-inch drill bit there for the 1/4-inch anchors. We've drilled through that and we've installed the anchors. Now what we'll do is install our patch cable. Thank you, sir. We'll push this pre-made patch cable through the wall like so. Okay. So we have our bracket. We have our stainless steel washers and stainless steel screws. These are number 10 screws that we're using. Your Phillips tip number 10s that work perfect on the 1/4-inch plastic anchors. I'm going to run the patch cable through the bracket. Pull your cable through. Set one of your screws here, like so. Take your Phillips tip, drill, and get it secured to the wall, not too tight, so you can make some adjustments if needed. Set it on top. Okay. And we are level, guys. Level there. So we will tighten up. You are secure. We will fill this in with the weather grommet. On the inside, we obviously still have the cable pushed in. We'll need to make a service loop within the J-hook and push it into the RJ45 connector. But we will do that after we install the camera. Now, we're gonna go ahead and push the cap into the wall mount bracket. Okay. Note that we have loosened this particular screw here. so that we can feed that through. Okay. So as you can see, guys, here we have left 1 foot of slack through here. Now we're going to tighten up here. Okay. All right. Go ahead and push this up into the wall mount bracket. We will screw these in like so. There's 4 of those. Okay. Secure, all secure. We need our weatherproof grommet there. Just push that in there like so. All right. We didn't have to use this here in this particular application because we didn't have flex go into this location. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and install the plate like so. This plate here, you install it with these grooves into the camera, okay, into the cap itself. All right. And then these particular inlets here will reside right here. Okay. So this here will come in to this here like so. Stop there and swivel this over like so. Alright. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's that. We've got 1 foot of patch cable here. Our plate is secure. Okay. Now the next step is to install the camera. Before you install this camera, guys, we can go ahead and remove the patch cable that comes attached to this camera. You want to go ahead and disconnect it and dispose of that, okay? What you want to do before is run your patch cable through here, okay? So you'll need to go ahead and pull that little tab off and then run the feed through this with your patch cable, okay? So like so, you push that like so, okay? All right. Take that off. Now we're gonna push our cable through here. Be sure that we push your grommet through like so. Okay, and we are on a construction site, guys, so it is pretty loud, okay? And make the connection there. Pull on your patch cable so that it's secure. Push your excess slack back into that. Okay, and you have this here and this here that you want to go ahead and get into this area. Okay, so guide that accordingly, and then you can get your camera installed and into that groove, right? So I've pushed it in there, rotated it to the right. Now what we'll do is get our screw tight. Now check the field of view that we're trying to cover. This particular application, what we want is to come off of the wall and out, okay? So that we can get whatever may cross this area. And this is covered, right? So what we'll do is loosen up just a bit here. All right. so that we can pick up on our lens accordingly. We're getting right about 106-degree view on this particular camera. Okay, you'll see an arrow right here facing to the top. That will be the top of the lens. Your IR illuminators are on the bottom. Okay, and what we've done was picked it up. It's about right here. That gives us off the wall. And then we will use the monitor to completely aim and get the view that we want before we cover this up. Okay, guys?
So now that we have our monitor connected on this LAN port that goes to the camera, we need to turn on our PoE. So by going to here, PoE output, turn this on, and on here it's going to tell you, okay, we have some power going to the camera. So now go back, and now we are clicked on the IP discovery. So just wait for the screen to fully load. What is happening is the monitor is giving the power to the camera, so it is booting up. So just wait about 30 seconds. Now it shows that I can find the IP address. So once you see that, click on the on with. So now I'm here recording, right? So now we are going to continue to aim the camera. Anything. So we're going to turn. Gonna get it off of the wall. So this is an LK view, and now we're gonna have 2 more cameras to cover that area and this area over here.
After you've aimed your camera, you will make your connection. So, yeah. Dab of silicone in here. I've put a little bit of silicone where the cable came through so I don't get any condensation built up from the inside. Please note that you should also fire stop your penetration on the inside of the building so that you don't get any hot air mixing with the cold air, okay? And then you'll get condensation buildup in your dome. That's why we've put in some silicone here, all right? And do not forget to take that off, okay, before you put your dome on. Final step here, put a bead of silicone here. We do not silicone the bottom, but we do sides and the top. This is white, but it will turn clear here shortly. Like so. Side. All right. You're good to go, guys.
Before you go, we just want to thank you for watching this video and ask if you're finding the content that we're producing useful to please like and subscribe. We have a modest goal of 1,000 subscribers in 2026, and with your help, I think we can get there. Once again, from all of ACS to you, thank you and have a wonderful day.